Bees, tiny creatures with a big job, their buzzing presence is more vital to our ecosystem than you might realize. These minuscule marvels are nature's master pollinators, playing a pivotal role in the growth of plants and the food we eat. From the humble bumblebees to the industrious honeybees, their diligent work keeps our world blooming. Without them, our plates would look a lot less colorful. So, let's dive into the buzzing world of these remarkable insects. Bees are more than just buzzing insects. Their anatomy and various types make them unique contributors to our ecosystem. Let's start with their anatomy. Bees, like all insects, have three main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head houses their brain, eyes, and antennae. The thorax holds their wings and legs. Lastly, the abdomen contains their digestive and reproductive systems. Now, let's talk about the different types of bees within a hive. There are three: worker bees, drones, and the queen. Worker bees are the industrious females that forage for food, take care of the brood, and protect the hive. Drones are the males who have one sole purpose: to mate with the queen. And the queen? She's the heart of the hive, laying all the eggs to ensure the hive's survival. Now not all bees are created equal. Each has a unique job contributing to the survival of their hive and our ecosystem. Ever wonder why bees are so busy? They're hard at work pollinating, a job that's more important than you might think. Now, let's dive into the world of pollination. It's a natural process where pollen grains are transferred from the male part of a flower, the anther, to the female part, the stigma. Bees act as a courier, collecting pollen on their bodies as they sip nectar from a flower, then transferring it to the next blossom they visit. This pollen transfer fertilizes the plants, allowing them to produce fruits and seeds. And guess what? About 70% of our world's crops are dependent on this process. Yes, that's right. From apples to almonds, much of the food we eat relies on bee pollination. Without these industrious insects, our food landscape would look very different. Bees face numerous threats, from habitat loss to pesticides. It's time we step up to protect them. These tiny pollinators are up against a world of challenges. Urban sprawl is eating into their natural habitats, pesticides are wreaking havoc on their populations, and climate change is altering their natural cycles. This isn't just a bee problem, it's a human problem too. You see, without bees, our food supply is in serious jeopardy. But there's hope. We can plant bee-friendly gardens, limit our use of pesticides, and support local beekeepers. It's not just about saving the bees, it's about saving ourselves. Remember, every action counts when it comes to protecting our buzzing buddies and ultimately our ecosystem.